Hello guys, quick video. New Qwen 3 Next is absolutely crazy. 80 billion parameters, almost beats 235 billion, the biggest one. And you see here it's beating this one benchmark, this benchmark, this benchmark, and it's approaching. So overall it's almost as good as the biggest one. It's 10 times faster than the previous, a lot smaller model with 32 billion parameters. And it can generate multiple tokens at once natively, which is crazy. And it has just 3 billion parameters. And it seems like we are surpassing transformer, we are surpassing attention mechanism, we are getting new linear architectures. So here, gated DeltaNet, let's see the architecture here and how they are achieving these insane results with such a small model. I'll quickly go over this because it's just an update. I'm gonna be making more videos about this. So linear attention is good and fast, but weak at recall, at remembering context. I think especially distant context. And standard quadratic attention is expensive and slow during inference. Through systematic experimentation, which is what we are actually gonna do, I'm gonna be trying this myself as well. They find that gated DeltaNet is actually better than sliding window attention and Mamba 2. These are linear attention strategies. They found in their experiments that when they have a mix of gated DeltaNet with standard attention with a 3:1 ratio, so 75% is gated DeltaNet and 25% is standard attention, it consistently outperforms any model that only has standard attention or only has gated DeltaNet in terms of both better performance and higher efficiency. They have some of these architectural tricks like doubling the head size and applying rope to only 25% of position dimensions. I'm not gonna go deep dive into this right now, I'm gonna do it in a different video. So only 3.7% of parameters is activated. This is crazy. Compared to Qwen's 328 total experts, Qwen 3 Next has 512 total experts. And here we have 8 routed, so 8 active is what, only 8 routed, and I think it seems like there is no shared experts that always activate. So 8 are always chosen, there is no expert that always activate, and here we have 1 shared expert that always activates and 10 routed experts, so 11 in total. They found that if you have good global load balancing, meaning that tokens are an equal number of tokens is sent to each expert, then you can just keep adding experts and the loss will slowly go down. This is crazy. Why do we have convolutional layer here after linear? I have no idea. I'm interested in this. They have a lot of normalizations. So you see before mixture of experts, zero-centered RMS norm, and here, and they have RMS norm here within the gated mechanism. So you see this is gated DeltaNet and this is gated attention. This is why we have convolution. So I thought this was attention. Never mind, this was attention up here. But I still need to see what this is. And another crazy thing, they have multi-token prediction natively, so it actually predicts multiple tokens at once. Just like speculative decoding, but it's even better, it says here, because it's custom trained to predict multiple tokens in both training and inference, and it also performs it like trains learns faster. Maybe we can do research paper on like a project here as well. So it's 7 times to 10 times faster than the 32B model. Look how the difference of the throughput scales exponentially, and this seems like the longer it is, the faster it is, or the throughput is higher. They also have installation guide. So that's gonna be it for this video, and you can just Google Qwen 3 Next and see you next time. Check out other videos on my channel and see you next time.